Hi enjoyers, today we are going to create more improved version of this weapon system. You can see here this pickable weapon. So I'm going to here and I get this weapon. But I'm going to make this more universal because we have also different type of weapon, and I'm going to create universal master weapon, and I'm going to create some logic for future weapon system. If you want to get my completed projects and created assets, you can subscribe to my Patreon. There you can find some assets and projects from my videos. I would appreciate any support. And by the way, the first ever Unreal Enjoyer in the Patreon is the Phoenix75. Thank you for support, I appreciate it a lot. Thank you for joining to our club. So let's start. First of all, this is our weapon for now. I'm going to make this universal weapon. This is in the props. You can see this rifle pickup. Right click here, new folder, and let's make this weapons. Alright, now here we need to create our master weapon. I can pick this rifle pickup, move here, rename this one, and call this master weapon pickup. Okay, double click, and here we can go on the viewport. This is our weapon. We need to make this universal. So first of all, we need here to create our enumeration. Here you can find in the blueprint segment here enumeration, and let's call this enum arsenal and open. Here we can add different parameters. Let's name them as our weapons. First of all is rifle. Next one I'm going to use blaster. This is instead of shotgun. I'm not going to create shotgun in this project because it is, you know, too common, too usual, generic. I want to create some, you know, sci-fi weapons, and I'm going to use mesh of shotgun as blaster. And next weapon is rocket launcher. Then we have actually grenade launcher, but let's make it something different because rocket launcher already is explosive. So I'm going to use here maybe plasma gun like this. And for sniper rifle, I'm going to call this laser lens. Okay, what else we have? We can go to our actually asset, where it is, sci-fi weapon, dark weapons. And this is our weapons. Also we have this pistol and knife. I'm not going to use pistol and knife because we don't have animations for pistol, and knife is melee weapon. I'm not going to use for now melee weapons. So this is 8. Let's go to our arsenal. We have 5 type of weapons. I think it is enough for now. Save and close. In the master weapon pick up, we can actually go to the event graph, and here in the variables we can add our variable which called weapon type. And this is here in the variable type. You can make this enumeration and enumeration arsenal, instant editable and expose and spawn, compile and save. Okay, now here we can see our mesh is rifle, but I'm going to use this weapon type and get weapon type and connect it here. But before we need to call select and connect this to here. Now we can select our weapon by using this arsenal. So rifle is rifle, find rifle mesh. Let's type rifle. Okay, this is our rifle. Blaster is a shotgun. Then a rocket launcher is a rocket launcher. Plasma gun is a grenade launcher. Let's make it this one, and let's make some white. For example, this one we can use white version just for, you know, some diversity. And laser lens also we can use sniper rifle. Okay, let's make this one. Oh, let's keep it like this. Okay, this is our meshes. Then we need to call here is compile and save. we need to create another thing. This is actually our rifle. We need to create child blueprint and test it out. So I'm going to the props, weapons, and here I can call child blueprint and call this BP rifle pick up. And for reference, let's duplicate this one as well. And instead of master weapon, let's use word blaster. Oh, I remember what we need also. We need to adjust socket, because this is our weapon, but also we need to know what socket we are going to use. So yeah. For now, let's keep this like this, because this both weapons. Let's remove this master weapon. And I'm going to use this and this one. Wait, this is master weapon. Blaster is this one. Okay, let's start. Yeah, we don't created our child blueprint. So here you can click on class defaults, and you can see here weapon type is a rifle. This is master weapon, we don't need it. Let's go to the blaster, and here we can find blaster and compile save. And for rifle, okay. Now let's try again. I can still see not correct weapon. Let's check it out. Skeletal mesh. This is a mesh of player, and we're going to use this set skeletal mesh weapon type. Oh, well, let's try out. I guess I found out what's the problem. Yeah, the problem is our visuals. So here in the begin play, we also need to set our mesh as well as here. So I'm going to use the same stuff here and connect it here. And for target, I'm going to use our rifle mesh. Let's change this rifle mesh, the compound save. Let's go to the master weapon, and here you can change it to weapon mesh, because we have not only rifle but also different type of weapons. So here in the blaster, I'm going to compile and add this one to here. Okay, let's rename this as well. This is because this child was created before our changes. Okay, this is our weapon mesh. Now it must be correct. Compile and save. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to start the game. And you can see now they are different. This is our actual shotgun, and that is our rifle. So if I click here, if I touch this weapon, I pick them up, and this is our rifle. If I try this one, I changed it to our shotgun. Let's create our all different stuff. This one must be our rocket launcher. Let's open this one and change it to rocket launcher. What we have else? Plasma gun and laser lens. Okay. Let's duplicate and duplicate again here. And let's change their meshes to laser lens. And rocket launcher is rocket launcher, and plasma gun must be plasma gun. Okay, compound save. Alright then, let's try our weapons. I'm going to add them in different places. Okay, let's add plasma gun. Now we have blaster rifle, plasma gun, a laser lens, and rocket launcher. 5 weapons. Let's check them out. Okay, you can see this is something like in the, GTA game where you can see the spinning weapons. Let's try them. This is our shotgun or blaster. This is our rifle. This is our rocket launcher. And you can see rocket launcher looks kind of weird. I guess we need to change animation for this one. But on the same side, we don't have animations for rocket launcher as standard. So we can use this as a cannon, for example. Okay, this is sniper rifle. It looks cool. Let's try this one. This is our grenade launcher, also looks kinda cool. So this is it, this is our weapons. And yeah, I'm going to keep our rocket launcher as this with this animation, because we don't have animation for, you know, rocket launcher. We can't use different type of animation where player hold this weapon on the shoulder. So yeah, something like this. Or maybe we need to remove this weapon because we can't use it correctly. Let's remove it. We can't use rocket launcher, unfortunately. So I'm going to remove this one. And in the enumeration I also as well must remove our rocket launcher. Maybe if this project wouldn't be, you know, free asset only, we could find some animations, but for free version we don't have. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoy. If so, hit the like button, share, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, enjoy. See ya.